Hey guys, today we are going to be opening. We're going to be opening up 9 Sword and Shield booster packs. We're going to be opening up 9 Sword and Shield booster packs. Alright, so first we're going to start with this Lapras. Nice Lapras booster pack. Alright. Then there's a Lucius pack. Let's hope we get something good in one of these. Alright. 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 The energy, I guess, psychic. Ooh, rock energy. We have rock energy, Pokegear, Aura energy, Ferrothorn, Scorpy, Hoot, Scorbunny, Pikachu, Sensista, Ordinary Rod. We got a Wobbuffet V. We got a Wobbuffet V, guys. Oh my gosh. I still have 8 packs left to go. Wait. I'm sorry. I need a case. Oh no, I need a case. I just need a sleeve. Oh, look at that. Oh my gosh, guys. Oh my gosh, guys. That was crazy. Oh my gosh, that was so nice. This time we're gonna be doing I'm not sure what it's called. I think a Lucius pack. Yes, so we are going to be getting into that. Alright, let's open this pack. Alright, so we got a Wobbuffet. I can't believe we got a Wobbuffet V in our first Lapras pack. I'm really glad I got the Lapras pack. Alright. Guess there any energy game? Water. Lightning. Nice lightning energy. Pokemon Center, lady. Seeking, Hitmonchan, Diglett, Scorpy, Hoot, Scorbunny, Pikachu, Corvisquire, and Drampa. We got some cool cards. Alright, this time. Wait, what's we still have 6 packs to go after this. Alright, we are getting lucky, bros. Alright. So we are going to do the Lapras pack. Alright, guys. Opening Lapras booster pack. code card. The energy game. Psychic. Rock. I was gonna guess rock. Alright, rock. We got a Fearthorn. Oh. Raboot. Lumberry. Ponard. Sizzlepede. Yamper. Clobopus. Chewtle. And we got a holographic Inteleon. Wait. We got an Inteleon. Then we got a Drapion. So, I need a case for... I guess I'll give a case to Inteleon. Ooh. We have got some cool cards, guys. This is so nice, baby. Okay, guys. Inteleon and Now our best ones are Inteleon and Wobbuffet V. Alright. What? We still have 6 left to go? That's a lot. Alright, now we're going to do a Zusilius or something. I can't remember the name of this guy. Comment down below if you know the name of this guy. Okay, guys? So, let's us do this, boys. Snorlax. Oh, nice Snorlax pack. Snorlax pack. Wait, after this we have... After this we have... Actually, we have 5 more packs. Pretty sweet. We'll have 5 more packs, so that's gonna be good. Hopefully pull a good one in this pack. Alright. Guess the energy game. Psychic. Alright. It was a fire energy. Then Team Yell Grunt. Drizzle. Galarian Stunfisk. Sizzlepede. Snum. Mawile. Gossifleur. Goldeen. Baltoy. And Polygysist. Now we're gonna have 4 more packs, and let's do a Lapras pack again. Crazy. We're doing another Lapras pack. So, why? Alright. Yeet. Zigga. Hallelujah. Fire energy. Dark energy. Ooh. Seeking. Hitmonchan. Great Ball. Galarian Zigzagoon. Gossifleur. Silcobra. Yamper. Krabby. Silcobra. And a Zacian V. Golden Zacian. Oh my gosh! Oh my gosh, guys! Oh, that is a nice... Alright, I need a sleeve so bad. I don't know where to find one. Oh, yes. Sleeve. Oh my gosh, guys, we got a Zacian V. Golden Zacian V. Oh my gosh. Oh my gosh, guys. Oh my gosh. I'm sorry. I'm sorry. It's just I'm so happy that I got a Zacian V. Oh my gosh, I can't believe it. I can't believe it. I just can't believe it. Come out. Come out. Since steel. Alright, guys, energy game fire. Ooh, Leaf. Leaf energy, Great Ball, Galarian, Linoon, Rotom Bike, Sinistea, Wooloo, Shelter, Croagunk, Silk Cobra, another Croagunk, Kentiscorch, and Kentiscorch. Ooh, that's a cool guy. Yeah. Alright, guys, the good cards we got so far is Wobbuffet V and Golden Zacian V. Oh my gosh, I can't believe I pulled this, guys. I just can't believe it. Now we're going to go to another Lapras pack. We're lucky so far. I mean, oh, what if we got Zusha V2? That would be awesome. I'm not sure that's gonna happen, but if we did, that would be so awesome. Alright, I'm just there we go, guys. Open that. Open. Alright. Still got two more after this. Rock. Fire Energy. Quillfish. Pokekid. Energy Search. Pawniard. Sizzlipede. Yamper. Clobbopus. Cottony. Heatmore. And Mudsdale. Yes. Oh my god. Alright, guys, we're gonna go to the second to last pack. There's only one more pack. After this pack, there's only one more pack. Alright, guys, so we need to get a good one in this or the last one. If we don't get one in this one, I hope we get one in the last one. I guess fire. Leaf Energy. Lucky Egg. Double. Digdrill. Goldeen. Diglett. These cards over here. Scorpy. Hoot. Scorbunny. Gossifleur. And a holographic Toxicroak. That is a nice Toxicroak. Oh, I'm going to put a case on that one. Alright. All down to the last and final pack, guys. We need to get a good one. This is the Zacian pack. Alright guys, we need to get a good card in this pack. We need to get a good one, guys. We need to get a good one. Alright, here's a Sword and Shield code card. Alright. Oh my god. Lightning. Ooh, Psychic. Energy. Mantine. Dottler. Vire. Yamper. Clobopus. Cottonine. Choodle. Rhyhorn. Quillfish. And a holographic Boltund. Ooh, that's a nice card right there, guys. That's a nice card right there. Alright, guys, that's going to wrap it up for this video. And the good cards we got were the Boltund holographic, Toxicroak holographic, the Golden Zacian V, and the Wobbuffet V. Alright guys, I hope you liked that video. Click down and subscribe. Click down there, subscribe, like, leave a comment. Be sure to leave a comment. And yeah, see you in my next video, guys. Bye. Bye. Bye, guys.